Presenting the Assemplast Avinia 150-ton injection molding machine, now installed in a leading toy manufacturing unit. Built with a robust toggle mechanism, advanced multi-stage ejection, and generous mold space, this machine ensures precision and high volume output. Its twin-cylinder injection unit, servo motor drive, and energy-efficient temperature zone deliver top-tier performance with reduced noise and power consumption. With smart automation and user-friendly controls, it's truly a powerhouse of productivity built to shape the future of the toy industry.